happening? I never wear hats, only for a little bit. Midway, baby. That's right. Welcome to Wild Mike's. We're ready to do this 32 card jam right here. I do not own the rights to this music. We're just letting it go in the background. Alright, let's get down to racing. 32 cars. We got John Papagon going up. New guy coming in. Going up against, it's this David Luker. Check where my lists go. There they are right there. Got John Papagon in the Chevy Nova, 1970. David Luker, the 2018 Copa Camaro. Let's go. This is a Cliff Coins race. You get 5 coins for first place. 3 coins for second place. 2 for third. You have to be registered at the Cliff. JLH Craft. Let's race. First out. Oh, the Copa coming on the inside. Whoa, and Copa Camaro. I almost lost it by a nostril. Alright, putting John on the inside here. Got the Copa Camaro on the outside. Let's race. Johnny coming up, flip backwards. They both flip backwards. Oh. And we have a sudden death. First race. Bringing out the sudden death shark. It is dead. Alright. Got Johnny on the outside. David Luker on the inside. We're racing. Whoa, Copa blocked out. If you block twice, switch lanes. So Copa's got 1 block from the inside. Here we go. Oh, the Nova shot out. Slide backwards again and slides it in. And John Papagon moving on. Thank you, David Luker. New guys, always welcome, man. You're always welcome. Thank you so much. Next race. I'm going to put the list right here. We got Triple B in the orange. Supra, Fast and Furious. And we have Romeo in the other. Chevelle, Fast and Furious. We got Romeo on the outside. Triple B in the Supra. Romeo, Chevelle. Let's go. Oh, Triple B with a block. And Supra, everybody's on their sides. And Triple B on the inside, leaving them the same. Romeo, a newcomer. Welcome to Wild Mike's. Romeo coming down with a block. Is he going to make it? Oh, he's going to make it around. And he comes in. Romeo takes the race 1. Switch him up. Take Romeo on the inside. Triple B on the outside. Let's race. Oh, there's Romeo. Triple B. Whoa, Triple B flying. Wow. That was a Paramalama, Triple B. Alright, we're going back. Triple B on the inside. Romeo on the outside. And it's going again, Triple B. Romeo coming hot. Triple B. Moving on. Thank you, Romeo. Up next, we have this Lotus Esprit and the Sick Red Prelude. The Prelude is the Silver Fox, and the Esprit is Efren Ram. Efren Ram. Let me turn on the gate. Efren Ram inside. Silver Fox on the outside in the Prelude. Let's race him. And the Silver Fox shoots out quick. He's upside down getting pushed. Double DNF. Gotta stop that. Got Efren Ram outside. Silver Fox on the inside. Race. The Fox jumps out front. Ram's upside down. Fox. Wow. Fox almost shot all the way out of the box there. All right, here we go. We got Ram on the inside. Efren Ram. Silver Fox is a newcomer to my track, I'm pretty sure. Efren Ram's been here once or twice. Welcome, guys. Oh, the Fox jumps out. Man, he just takes a smoker. Efren Ram, thank you for joining us. Silver Fox, you are moving on. Up next, we have Fast and Furious Nova 1970. Also, we have the Summit Vega. Some red wheels. We got Boog in the Summit Vega. And then we have the Big C. Big C in the Nova. Let's do it. Got Boog on the outside. Big C on the inside. Got two Chevys. Got a Nova and a Vega. And the Vega. Whoa, Vega coming hot. Nova. Vega. Vega coming in hot. Boog. Boogalooing. Alright, now Boog's on the inside. Big C on the outside. Oh, the Vega's a block. Double DNF. See if that Vega can keep it straight. Let's go. Oh, Vega shot out again. Man, here comes the Vega. Nice running. Thank you to the Big C. Boog, you're moving on. All right, now we got Bolo Brown in the yellow C8 Corvette. And who's driving this GT? The Ford GT. Oh, we got Stephen King. If you don't know Stephen King, I just picked this up today. It's kind of something familiar. I really dig it though. And I like your air. All right, guys, we're gonna race it right here. Bolo Brown against Stephen King. We got Stephen King on the inside. Bolo Brown on the outside. C8 Corvette up against Ford GT40. Whoa, the GT. Oh, the C8 coming in hot. Bolo Brown takes it. we're going to put Bolo on the inside. Stephen King on the outside. Let's race. Oh, it's Bolo. And Stephen King comes driving over the top and comes in reverse. Drives right over the front end of Bolo Brown. And it is Sudden Death Shark. Alright, we got Bolo Brown on the outside. Stephen King on the inside. Let's race. Coming in side by side, Stephen King. Whoa! Wow. That was Stephen King driving that car. Thank you, Bolo Brown. We love you, brother. We see you all the time out here. All right, Stephen King's moving on. Next up, we got Uncle D driving this big old Dodge Charger. And who be driving this Green Flames? The Green Flames is Wally Champ going up against Uncle D. That's got to be Uncle Don. The Uncle Donster. Alright. We got the Green Flames on the inside with Wally D. Uncle D, Uncle Don on the outside of the Charger. Charger coming in with a block, and they fall off. Alright. Alright. Let's go. We got the Cougar on the inside, Charger on the out. Cougar, Charger flipped over, end over end. The Cougar takes it. His Uncle Don did a nosedive, landed back on his wheels. Alright, we got Uncle Don on the inside in the Charger. Wally Champ in the Cougar. Wally Champ. Here comes the Cougar with a block and crashed off. Alright. We're here to race. It's not going to be easy, they say. Got the Cougar outside. Charger inside. And so we're switching lanes. Got 2 blocks from the Charger, 1 from the Cougar so far. And this is it. Oh, the Charger. Uncle Don. Oh, it's tied up now. Uncle Don coming through. Sudden Death Shark. Shoot. Hey, now we're right back to where we were before. Cougar on the outside. Uncle D on the inside. Who will take it? Sudden Death. It's the Cougar with a block. And the Cougar makes it around and does not make it around. One more time. Cougar was out of control. Cougar. Oh. Ooh. That was close, man. Uncle Don gave this Cougar a run for the money. Cougar's moving on. Right. 2 more cars. We got High Octane in the K&N Corvette. Also, we have in the number 53, we have G Money from New Jersey. Don't forget, eat flesh. All right, we got High Octane on the inside, G Money on the outside, Chevelle, Chevy and Chevy. K&N Corvette. 53, there goes the K&N. High Octane takes the first one. Came in side by side. High Octane on the outside. High Octane. Most winningest driver in the Rust Belt area. High Octane holds his own. High Octane. Alright. High Octane moving on. Here we go. One more race. We got Mrs. Crumbum going up against Lauren Abercrombie. Mrs. Crumbum is driving this right here. It's a blood bone shaker I made myself with some nice wheels. Then we got the James Bond car for Mr. Abercrombie with the nice wheel swap there. I mean, you watch this car. Let's go. This bone shaker's no joke either. You got bone shaker on the inside. Get the Aston Martin on the outside. Let's go. And Aston Martin. Oh, it's coming upside down. And the bone shaker. Mrs. Crumbum. I thought she was gonna push the Aston Martin Abercrombie through the gates, but it just didn't happen that way. So we're going inside for Lauren Abercrombie on the inside. Mrs. Crumbum on the outside. Let's go. And it's Abercrombie. The Aston Martin still. Oh, and she takes it. Came off the track. Wow. I've never seen this car get so squirrely. Wow. Well, thank you very much, Lauren Abercrombie. Mrs. Crumbum, you are moving on. All right, that's the end of the first segment. All right, man, we're back at Wild Mike's. Also, don't forget to register at JLH Craft. Also, go on the Craft website, check out the stuff. He's got super cool stuff, reasonable prices. Also, don't forget to get your shirts from Mecum. They're sick. I mean, we got great stuff from, these shirts are great. And Glenn Harding's drawing the drawings, unbelievable stuff. All right, let's get back to racing here. So, we got Dreddy in the Circle Tracker going up against Eric Z in the Leaf Nissan. We got Dreddy on the outside, Eric Z on the inside. The Leaf Nissan, Circle Tracker. The Leaf jumping out quick, Circle Tracker bouncing, still got the Leaf off the track. Nissan made quick of that car. They were bouncing all over the truck. When it came, they come through this jump here sometimes in their air. He got caught up in there. He got caught off the side. Alright. We got Dreddy on the inside. Eric Z outside. Dreddy dropping in. Whoa, Dreddy taking it in reverse. Yeah, that gives us the Thunder Shark. We got Dreddy on the outside. It's Nissan Leaf on the inside. Dreddy, Eric Z. Eric Z is new to our track. Dreddy is from Long Beach. He's part of the clip. Dreddy, coming, Eric Z. Dreddy holds him off. Thank you, Eric Z. Dreddy, you're moving on. Up next, we have DJ in the 720 McLaren, and then we have 68 Black Flames Cougar. It's an honor to have Gus Greenfield down here on my track. So we're ready. We got Gus Greenfield in the Black Cougar on the inside, DJ in the McLaren on the out. And it's a block, and nobody's going anywhere. That's a block 1 for DJ. Blocked across. Now, let's see what happens when I put him door to door. And it's a double block. We will switch lanes. Sometimes that works to your advantage, sometimes not. A double block. See if we can get Gus down the track here. Let's go. Up, and there goes DJ floating by. And Gus got sideways in the middle of the track there. Now we're right back to where we started. See if we can get nobody blocking. We got DJ on the outside, Gus Greenfield on the inside. And it's Gus! It's Gus! DJ took him on the outside. Wow. DJ came up around. He had Gus by like 7 inches, car lengths maybe. Got it. DJ moving on in the McLaren. All right, next up, we got Chris Stormy Trooperson in the Nissan NSX. And we got this nice 70 Chevelle purple with Adam Kahn. We got Adam Kahn on the outside with Chevelle. Stormtrooperson inside, Nissan NSX. Whoa, side by side, Nissan. Oh, just flips upside down with a roof slide. Chevelle sitting on its side right here in the corner. Alright, got the Chevelle on the inside. Nissan outside. And a Nissan, oh, and the Chevelle just slides out. Nissan. Got pulled around there. Thank you, Adam Kahn. I imagine another new comer to the track. Thank you, you're always welcome. Stormtrooperson, you're moving on. Next up, we have Pinky driving the Golf Lancia. And we have the custom auto is James Sterling. James Sterling Racing. James Sterling on the inside. Pinky, Golf Lancia on the outside. Oh, Pinky jumps out front and whoa, jumps the curve in the. She was airborne into the curve halfway. At least to right here. That was nice. All right, Pinky on the inside. We got the custom auto, James Sterling, Sterling Racing. Pinky coming hot. Whoa! And that's Sterling. Sterling caught that corner beautifully. Pinky moving on. Next up, Tiki J in the GTO. Lowrider, wait a second. Yeah, I guess so. Lowrider Blue. Wait a second. What just raced? The auto. Okay, now next up we have Jimmy John. Jimmy John Hansen in the Copa Camaro. And that is race 13. And race 13 right here is 72 Ragtag Jim in the 72 Chevy Love with a sunroof. Alright, we got the Chevys and Chevys again. We got the Love truck on the outside, the Copa Camaro Falcon on the inside. It's the Chevy Love coming in. Jimmy John Hansen spun out. Ragtag Jim taking advantage. Ragtag Jim on the inside. Okay. Ragtag Jim on the outside. Copa Camaro inside. Let's race. It's the Ragtag Jim. Takes out the Copa. Woo! That was hard driving, blocking and sliding. Ragtag. Moving on. Next up now, we have the Lowrider Pontiac GTO with Tiki J. And then the next up, we have Halvey. She's driving the Evo Advan. We have Halvey on the inside, Tiki J on the outside. Race. And there's Halvey with a block. It's one block. Tiki J inside. Halvey on the outside. Halvey driving out of Wild Mike's. Oh, there she comes. Whoa, she's flying. Tiki J not too far behind. Wow. Got Halvey on the inside, on the outside. Tiki J on the inside. Deborah Halverson. She got herself a nickname. And here comes Halvey. She's all over the place. Oh, Tiki J. And she finished. Wow. She flew and bounced and rolled down the track. And she still finished on 4 wheels. She's a driver. It's a sudden death shark action. Yeah, Halvey on the inside. Tiki J on the outside. Sudden death shark. Ugh. Uh-oh. Let's race. Oh, there she comes. Right on Tiki J. Wow. Deborah Halverson. Halvey. Moving on. Thank you, Tiki J. Alright, up next, we have the 70. We have the CRX Silver in the McLaren, driven by Sharky. And we have the Spy Dude driving this little Honda CRX. We got the McLaren Golf on the outside with Sharky, Spy Dude on the inside, and the CRX. CRX shooting the gap, and Sharky just blew around him on the outside. And look at, he left this guy upside down right there in the dust. All right, Spy Dude on the outside. Sharky on the inside. Sharky took that corner like a bomb. Oh, there goes the Honda. And disposes Sharky. It is a sudden death with the sudden death shark. Alright. CRX. Inside lane. Spy Dude. Going up against Sharky in the Golf McLaren. It's a race. Whoa, side by side. Is the CRX. Whoa. Coming in hot. Thank you, Sharky, for driving my beautiful car. You're welcome anytime. Another newcomer, all the time. You guys are welcome. Spy Dude, moving on. Up next, we have Maestro driving the red Alfa Romeo and Greasy G driving my AMX Rebel. AMC Rebel. AMC Rebel inside. I love this little Alfa Romeo. Maestro outside. This Alfa Romeo is a spark plug. Whoa! Greasy upside down, Greasy G and Alpha. Just bouncing in. Man, Greasy G had a lead. And the skinny wheelbase flips over again. Alright, we got Greasy G on the outside. Maestro and the Alfa Romeo on the inside. Alpha, Maestro, here comes Greasy G. Whoa, Maestro held him off. Woo! What a race. Thank you, Greasy G, man. That was a heck of a race right there, bro. Almost. Maestro, you're moving on, bro. All right. That's the end of that segment. We will be back. All right, we're back to the cave. And we're up, ready to go again. We got John Papillon going up against Triple B. We got the 70 Nova going up against the Supra. Fast and Furious. Going Fast and Furious. Triple B on the outside. John Papillon on the inside. John Papillon driving out of Wild Mike's Race Park. Oh, Triple B. Oh, man, Triple B got air in the corner. All right. Triple B on the inside. Let's go. Side by side, John Papillon up front. John Papillon kicks it out. Triple B. Sunday Shark. Triple B on the outside. John Papillon on the inside. Let's race some. Triple B with a block. Triple B doesn't want to go down. Woo, Triple B with a block. And it's side by side. Oh, Triple B's flying. Oh, shoot. Triple B came in. Thanks a lot, John. You made me look good with this car, bro. Thanks. Yeah. All right, Triple B's moving on. All right, next up, we got the Silver Fox in the Prelude. And also, we have in the Summit, we have Boog in the Summit Vega. Two newcomers to Wild Mikes. We got Boog on the inside. Silver Fox outside. Boog, upside down, had the lead. Just gave it away. Wow, that was a good race. We got Boog on the outside. Summit Vega. Fast little car on the strip. Oh, there goes the Prelude. Upside down on his side. Oh, and boom, shoots around. Brutal. Sudden death shark. Got a lot of sudden death here this round. Wow. Going back to the boog on the inside. Silver Fox and the Prelude on the outside. And then Silver Fox jumped around the outside of that jump. Wouldn't let Boog. Yeah. Boog thought he was going to jump in front. And Silver Fox said, no, we'll just do a crossover. That's what you do. Silver Fox moving on. And thank you, Boog. Up next, we have Stephen King in the black Ford GT40. And we have Wally Champ in the Green Flames Cougar. And I have about maybe 15, maybe more of these Green Flames Cougars with all different wheels on them, because those wheels were the ones that I was using for my swaps. Alright, we got Stephen King and Wally Champ. Stephen King jumped out, flying. Stephen King. Wow. Took that one down. Alright. Put Wally on the inside. Stephen King on the outside. Sometimes I get mixed up if I do that, guys, and I apologize, but I'm the only guy here. Wally jumping way out. What happened? It's gonna be Stephen King coming in second. We have another sudden death shark. Sudden death shark all day. Stephen King on the inside. Wally Champ outside. Whoa, side by side. Wally in front. Oh, Stephen King came through. Oh my God. That was intense right there. I mean, it was right there, just right there. Nice ride, nice drive, Stephen King. Stephen King moves on. Now we have High Octane in the K&N Corvette going up against Miss Crumbum and the Blood Shaker on a big upset. Wow. Blood Shaker upset Lauren Abercrombie big time. That was just, wow. Let's go. High Octane. Here comes that Blood Shaker. High Octane. Very easy. Okay, got the Blood Shaker inside. High Octane on the outside. Blood Shaker. Oh, she went. High Octane said, I don't think so. Here she is. I'll just leave her there. Wow, that was intense. Alright, now we got Dreddy going up against DJ. Dreddy in the Circle Tracker truck. DJ 720P McLaren. We got 720 on the inside. Circle Tracker. We got Dreddy from the Mini Mafia. DJ swinging it. Here comes Dreddy. DJ. High Octane moving on. Oh. Alright. So we got the McLaren up by 1. Got Dreddy on the inside. P1 on the outside. Dreddy with a block. Here comes nobody gonna make it. Andretti was underneath, on top of this McLaren. Couldn't drive under. All right. We got Andretti on the outside. Sudden death action. DJ. And the McLaren. Shark. Let's go. Oh, man, a big dive. Wow. Big dive for the McLaren. DJ moving on. All right, up next we have Pinky in the Golf Lancia going up against my brother, Stormtrooperson, in the NSX Acura. We got Pinky on the outside, Stormtrooperson on the inside. Pinky, what the heck? Pinky just took Stormy and he got airborne, flipped over right there. All right, let's do it again. We'll put the NSX on the outside this time, Pinky on the inside. Let's see what happens here. And it's gone, Pinky. Coming up, they both. Yeah, it's Pinky. Well, thank you, Chris Honeyfield, Stormtrooperson. Nobody knew that. All right. Now we have Halvey going up against Ragtag Jim. Halvey's in the Evo. Ragtag Jim in the S. It's a Chevy Love. So, let's go. Oh, Halvey jumping out. She just disposed of it. Wow. She said, I need to get down here quick. She did. Alright. Let's put Halvey on the inside. Ragtag. Anything can happen, boys and girls and ladies and gentlemen. Anything can happen in die-cast racing. But, oh, and here comes, oh, he couldn't make it. Double DNF. She flipped over. She had him too. And then she flipped over and he couldn't finish the race. Got Ragtag on the outside. Halvey up one race, driving out of Wild Mike's. And here she comes. Oh, and she barrel rolls it in the front stretch. It's Sudden Death Shark. Oh, Ratitunes. And we got one race to go. All right, we got Halvey on the inside. Ragtag on the outside. What will happen here? Sudden death. And here comes Halvey. She's upside down on the side. They both couldn't finish. She was rail rocking it. Wow. She's having a rough time getting down the track. All right, one more time. Halvey inside. Ragtag Jim on the outside. Here she comes. She's down. She spun off and she took it. She bounced off Sully down here. One of those, she bounced off one of my kids' toys. Down here is like the Hall of Fame of kids' toys that remind me of my kids and grandkids. All right, next one we have Maestro in the Alfa Romeo. Spy Dude in the CRX Silver. Going into the last bit. Trying to get the last spot for the finals. We have the Alfa Romeo on the outside, CRX on the inside. Let's race them. Ooh, CRX Alpha. It's the Alfa Romeo with Maestro. All right, so now we're going to put Spy Dude on the outside, Maestro on the inside. Honda going up against Alfa. And it's the Alfa with the block. He's still coming. Honda's still coming. Ooh. It's the Alfa with Maestro. All right. All right, we got 8 cars left. And we're gonna come right back and get them done. Thank you all who participated. The people who didn't get picked for this race, I have the list of you, and you will race in my next race. Just boom, straight out, that's who's racing. There's 16 of you, so that's what we're gonna do. And just to make, hey man, I like to do it. I'm doing it for you guys, and that's what I do. I'm having a lot of fun doing this, and I hope you guys are having fun watching. So, God bless you, and we'll be back in a little bit. All right, I don't own the rights to this music. We got 8 cars left. Let's do this final. We got Triple B and the Silver Fox. Triple B and the Supa, Silver Fox in the Prelude. Triple B on the inside. Silver Fox on the outside. Triple B. Triple B's gonna make it. Alright, now we got Triple B on the outside. Silver Fox inside. And the Fox jumps out front. Triple B trying to zigzag around him. Nothing. Here comes the Fox, jumps out front. And Triple B sliding in behind. Thank you, Triple B. I'll see you at Shredder Speedway. Silver Fox, moving on. Next up, Stephen King, High Octane. Heavy hitters and royalty at the same time right here. We got Stephen King on the outside, the high flying Stephen King. We got High Octane on the outside, the vet. Stephen King jumps out front. Whoa. Stephen King took it. Stephen King up by 1. We got High Octane on the inside. Going up against Stephen King. This is Diecast royalty, both of these guys. Cheyenne Wheeler coming on the inside of the block and takes him out. Taking him to the Sundeath Shark. We got Stephen King on the inside. Cheyenne High Octane Wheeler on the outside. Stephen King drops out in front. Up, Cheyenne's upside down. Oh. And Stephen King took it barely. For Cheyenne. Thank you, Cheyenne Wheeler. You're always welcome at Wild Mike's. Alright, now we got Pinky going up against DJ. We got DJ on the outside, Pinky on the inside. We got a Lancia on the inside and a McLaren on the outside. And it's the McLaren. And here comes Pinky. Pinky got it. Pinky got him. Pinky's up on 1. Pinky on the outside. McLaren. P20 DJ. P720. Here's the McLaren. Oh, this time he got it. Yes. Sunday Shark. Got Pinky back on the inside. We got DJ and the McLaren on the outside. Here comes Pinky with a block. He's coming. Here comes the McLaren. Pinky moving on. Thank you, DJ. Now we have the Maestro. He's in the Alfa Romeo. And we have Halvey, Deborah Halverson, driving out of Wild Mike's Race Park. She's in an Advan Evo. She's on the outside. Let's go. And it's the Evo upside down, and they both can't finish. Oh, he was on top of her. She was on her back. Just riding down like this. All right, here we go. It's first race. We got Pinky. We have Deborah Halverson on the outside and the Maestro on the inside. Here's Halvey. She blocked him. It's one block. Figures this was going to take a while. So we get one race in. Here she comes. Here they come. Oh, the Evo just shot off the side. Wow. Right off the side of this Alfa Romeo. Deborah Halverson takes the first race. Now she's moving to the inside lane. We have the Maestro and the Alfa on the outside. The Alfa is a fast car. Very surprised. Oh, she drops in. She's upside down. Oh, she blocked him out. We got the Maestro. Halvey. Halvey's up by 1. The Maestro tie it up. Here comes Halvey. She got it. She's in. Oh, she's taking lane 3 all the way over. All right. Halvey's moving on. Final 4. We're running Pinky against Silver Fox. Pinky on the inside, Fox on the outside. Pinky. Whoa! Pinky slid off. Got knocked out by the Tasmanian Devil. Pinky on the outside. Fox on the inside. Fox is up. 1-0. Fox. Pinky. Pinky came around the Fox for a sudden death. Sudden death shark. Wow. So we got Pinky on the inside. The Fox. Silver Fox on the outside in the Prelude. Pinky. Wow. Pinky took it. Fox is upside down. Thank you, Silver Fox. Keep you right here because you'll be racing for 2 Cliff Coins. Pinky in the finals. Now we have Stephen King, Diecast Royalty, going up against my newcomer, up-and-comer too, Deborah Halverson. She's taking the outside lane. Stephen King on the inside. Semi-final race. Oh, it's Deborah Halverson flying almost over the other side. Stephen King didn't even finish. Deborah Halverson's up 1. Moving to the other lanes. Stephen King on the outside. Deborah Halverson on the inside. Man, let's race. It's Halverson. There she goes, and she just smoked him. Wow. Deborah Halverson moving on to the finals. Going up against Pinky. Now, 3rd place. It's a one and done. 1 race for 2 Cliff Coins. Stephen King in the FTE GT40. Silver Fox in the red Prelude, the red wheel, baby. We'll put the Fox on the outside, King on the inside. Stephen King, and the Fox knocks him off and takes it. That's 2 Cliff Coins. Congratulations to the Fox, 3rd place. All right, now here's the final. 2 out of 3. I'm going to start the 3 out of 5 finals next time. 2 out of 3. Got Halvey on the inside, Pinky on the outside. Race. Oh, it's Halverson. Wow. What happened to Pinky? All right, Deborah Halverson's up 1. Pinky on the inside. Deborah Halverson on the outside. Oh, there she goes, Deborah Halverson. And she takes it. Pinky takes 2nd. Thank you to everybody who raced tonight. Deborah Halverson, congratulations winning out of Wild Mike's Race Park. It's always good to have one of my drivers. And if you can't say it's not fair, it was an open draw. Good job. Thank you to JD and Vanessa for all the help you guys do. And thanks to everybody else who signed up, man. Appreciate it. God bless y'all. And we'll see y'all next time at Wild Mike's Race Park.